I'm the man that walked out of fire.
I think that's Romain Grosjean that has gone into the barriers there, about 140 miles an hour.
This was a big one, this was a big one.
What the? Tell me it's okay, please. Tell me it's okay.
This one was hard to watch.
I thought about my kids and I said, no, I cannot die today.